Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tyree here and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my favorite Starbucks drink, which is, well, it's one of my favorite Starbucks drinks, and it's the passion fruit lemonade. So I'm excited because this is usually what I do when I can't afford Starbucks sometimes, because I done went there too many times and I ran out of money. So I am going to show you guys how I do my dupe for the passion fruit lemonade and how you can also achieve the same type of drink. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. And we're just going to go ahead and get into the video already. Alright, so what we have here in front of us is the Tazo Passion Tea. So you can get this at Walmart. Actually, all of these items that you're seeing here can be found at Walmart except for the plant. But yes, so I will be putting the price on the screen and the location in Walmart where you can find this particular one. Also, you can find this as well at Walmart, and I did start off using that, but I didn't like that it wasn't red enough, and I'm trying to literally have a dupe of my favorite Starbucks drink. And the tea bags make the tea come out much more rich in color. So that's the only reason I am not using this particular carton here, the passion carton. I'm not using that for this video or for my drinks any longer because it's not really as bright red in color. What I also have back here is Minute Maid lemonade. I only have this for the purpose of the video because this is typically what people like to use as their lemonade substitution when making the Starbucks drinks, and I agree it is pretty good. However, I did make my own here, and this is because I wanted to basically liquidate some sugar. So this is actually sugar water that I heated up and melted the sugar in, and then I did add in some actual lemon juice, like some real lemon juice, because I really want it to be as close to the lemon juice that Starbucks gives. Sometimes this is like much more sweeter and flatter, the Minute Maid, so I wanted to definitely make something that I felt was legit. So that's pretty much all that you need, and all my sugar that I'll need is in here melted. You don't want like an ice cold drink that has like sugar that's sitting at the bottom. So Starbucks uses liquid cane sugar, so I said why not make my own liquid sugar. So this is sugar water with lemon mixed into it, lemon juice, real lemon juice. And then back here, this is just something that I have ice in, so I'm going to show you guys. This is my margarita shaker, and I actually have some huge ice balls up in here. And for the immature people, these are literally shaped like balls, like round spear things. Okay, so yeah, I have those in here, and this is gonna help to cool off the tea. So once I'm done steeping the tea bags, I'm gonna put the tea up in here, and that way it'll cool it down really fast. If you guys are curious about where you can get these ice ball maker, I actually will put a link below because I did get it from Kohl's. It was like $7. And then of course in my last Starbucks video, this Starbucks cup was mentioned. It actually was $7, I think. Like it's priced at $7, but when I got it, it was on clearance for $5. So I did put a link in the description as well, in the description box. And it also already has ice in it. I put ice in it because the drink will be cold enough to pour over it, because I'm putting the tea in here on this ice so that it can chill as much as possible, and I don't have to wait a long time for it to be cold. And then I'll also be putting the lemon juice in here as well. So yeah, we're going to do half tea, half lemon, and a little bit of extra water as well, just to make sure it's not too sweet. But yes, so let's get started. Here's my cup. And I'm going to take my 2 tea bags, just put 2 in there. I feel like 2 will be good because it'll give it more flavor. So you can never go wrong with 2. But if you want to do 1, that's fine. And then I already boiled some hot water, so I'll just show you guys. I almost poured that outside of the cup. Also, this is a really great tea to have like just by itself. Like, it's super, you know, good when you hook it up. So if you can see, like, this is already like a bright red. It's so pretty. And when I tried to use a carton, the carton wouldn't come out this color. It was more of like a regular brown, you know, tea color, and then it had a hint of red in it. And so I didn't like it because it didn't look like the drink. And so I put red dye in it. That's so bad. And I was like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to, you know, put red dye in there. And I'm sure color isn't really that important, but if we're trying to mimic a drink at Starbucks, I want it to be as close as possible. That's the whole point. I'm going to set these in the bowl just in case all of this for some reason freezes over the ice in here and I need to make more. So I'm just going to go into my little margarita canteen whatever thing here, and I'm going to pour this over the ice. Spilling it. While this is cooling off, I need to clean up the mess I just made on the counter. Here is the ice ball maker that I got from Kohl's. So it's like silicone or whatever. I don't know. But pretty much you close it like that. You put it together and then you fill in these little holes right here with water. You just put it in the freezer and it'll freeze and turn into ice balls, and it's really good for aesthetics too, like when you're serving someone wine. And if you can see, like this little glass here, you usually put the ice ball in there and you fill up the wine till about halfway, and it's just really cute. So I just wanted to show y'all that. I am not at all sponsored for this video, by the way. It definitely feels super cold. So it got cold so quick. So I can tell because when I first poured it in, you could feel like that the little canister was warm. So now it's all cold, and that took like all of 2 minutes just to be sure. So now I'm going to take my ice, and if you want you can also put this in a canister as well, but this is cooled down. I'm just going to fill this okay, that's a little more than halfway. So I actually decided to pour some of that back. If need be, I do have another case of ice ready just in case, you know, those melt. But now I'm just going to take the actual passion tea and pour it in. Just be careful with the canister because it makes, like, you know, a lot of messes. It's really easy to make a mess. Alright, and honestly, there you have it. So you have your very own passion fruit tea, and it tastes just like the real thing. Yeah, this is really refreshing, really good. So you can make yours for the low by getting your own stuff. Again, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just showing you guys how I do my thing when I do my thing. So, yes. If you like this video, again, thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.